Ever wondered why blackheads appear on your skin and how to get rid of them naturally at home? Blackheads are small bumps that surface on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. These bumps are called blackheads because the surface appears dark or black. Now, wouldn't it be great to tackle these pesky blackheads right in the comfort of your own home? Well, you're in luck. Stay tuned as we delve into the science behind blackheads and reveal natural home remedies to combat them. Understanding the science behind blackheads is the first step in effectively dealing with them. So, what causes these pesky skin blemishes? The answer lies within our own bodies. Our skin continuously produces an oily substance called sebum, which acts as a natural moisturizer. Problems arise when there's an overproduction of sebum and a buildup of dead skin cells. These two culprits team up to block our pores, creating the perfect environment for blackheads to form. Now imagine this blocked pore as a stage where a blackhead performance is about to begin. The spotlight is on the excess sebum and dead skin cells, which have clumped together to form a plug. When this plug comes in contact with the air, it oxidizes, turning black, and voila! A blackhead makes its grand entrance. Now that we have a better understanding of what causes blackheads, let's explore some natural remedies to help keep your skin clear. Nature provides us with an abundance of remedies that can help banish blackheads. Let's delve into a few of these, starting with the steam treatment. This involves boiling water, allowing it to cool slightly, then leaning over the steaming pot with a towel draped over your head. The steam opens up your pores, making it easier to remove blackheads. Next, let's explore some natural ingredients. Honey, with its antibacterial properties, can be applied directly to the affected areas. It not only pulls out blackheads but also nourishes the skin. Cinnamon, another potent ingredient, can be mixed with honey to create a powerful anti-blackhead mask. Lemon juice, rich in citric acid, can be used as a natural exfoliant, while egg whites applied as a mask can tighten pores and pull out blackheads. Apply these remedies regularly and you'll soon see a noticeable difference in your skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to these natural remedies. Give your skin time to respond. Today, we've learned that blackheads are caused by a buildup of sebum and dead skin cells in our pores. This intricate science of blackheads is fascinating, isn't it? And the best part, we've discovered natural home remedies to combat them right from your kitchen. From exfoliating regularly to using honey, lemon, egg whites, and cinnamon. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below.